Are you looking for the best vertical GPU bracket? In this video, we want to the top 5 best vertical GPU bracket on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Adt-link Vertical GPU Bracket. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Adt-link Vertical GPU Bracket, and it's proven to be an excellent addition to my gaming setup. This vertical GPU bracket is designed with some unique features that set it apart from traditional vertical GPU mounts, and here's what I've experienced. One notable aspect of the Adt-link Vertical GPU Bracket is that it requires the removal of the entire video card baffle. While this may seem like an extra step, it's actually quite beneficial. Removing the baffle provides more room for airflow and better heat dissipation for your GPU, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating during those intense gaming sessions. Compatibility is key when it comes to any PC hardware upgrade, and this bracket is designed to fit 7 pcie baffle chassis. This means it can accommodate a wide range of PC cases, making it a versatile option for gamers and PC enthusiasts with different setups. You won't have to worry about whether it will fit your case, it's designed to work with a variety of them. What truly stands out about the Adt-link Vertical GPU Bracket is its installation design. Unlike traditional vertical GPU mounts that place the graphics card right against the side glass panel, this bracket positions the GPU farther away from the glass. This design tweak provides better heat dissipation and airflow for your GPU. It means your graphics card won't be right up against the glass, potentially trapping heat and compromising performance. In conclusion, the Adt-link Vertical GPU Bracket offers a unique and practical solution for vertical GPU installation. While it may require the removal of the video card baffle, this design choice enhances heat dissipation and airflow. Its compatibility with a wide range of chassis makes it a versatile choice for PC enthusiasts looking to optimize their gaming experience. If you want to showcase your GPU vertically without sacrificing cooling efficiency, this bracket is a smart choice for your setup. Number 4. Yesido Vertical GPU Bracket. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Yesido Vertical GPU Bracket, and I must say it's a fantastic addition to my gaming setup. This vertical GPU bracket comes with some innovative features that have truly enhanced my experience. One standout feature of the Yesido Vertical GPU Bracket is its adjustable extension wire fixing hole. This feature offers tremendous flexibility when it comes to cable management. It allows you to route your GPU cables neatly, ensuring a clean and organized interior of your PC case. This not only improves aesthetics but also helps maintain optimal airflow for cooling. Another remarkable aspect of this bracket is its use of 416 mm strong magnetic fields. These magnets provide a secure and stable hold for your graphics card, preventing any unwanted sagging or wobbling. The magnetic attachment is incredibly convenient, making the installation and removal of your GPU a breeze. It offers both ease of use and peace of mind knowing your valuable graphics card is securely in place. Additionally, the Yesido Vertical GPU Bracket features a removable extension plate, which opens up a world of installation possibilities. This plate allows for various mounting methods, catering to different PC case configurations. Whether you want to showcase your GPU vertically or explore alternative angles, this bracket gives you the freedom to customize your setup to your liking. In conclusion, the Yesido Vertical GPU Bracket is a game changer for those looking to vertically mount their graphics card. The adjustable extension wire fixing hole simplifies cable management, while the strong magnetic fields provide reliable GPU support. The removable extension plate offers versatility in installation methods, allowing you to create a unique and visually appealing PC setup. If you're aiming to showcase your GPU and improve cable management, this bracket is a must-have accessory for your gaming rig. Number 3. AlloySeed Vertical GPU Bracket. I recently had the pleasure of upgrading my gaming setup with the Alloyseed Vertical GPU Bracket, and I have to say, it has truly transformed the way I experience gaming. This vertical GPU bracket boasts an array of impressive features that cater to both performance and aesthetics. One of the standout features of the Alloyseed Vertical GPU Bracket is its high-quality construction. Crafted from thickened SGCC galvanized steel plate, this bracket is not only solid and durable but also resistant to deflection and deformation. It offers exceptional structural toughness, ensuring it can support even the heaviest graphics cards available on the market. The beautiful metal surface treatment with a gold sinking process adds an elegant touch to the bracket while enhancing its overall product performance and longevity. Modularity is at the heart of this GPU bracket's design philosophy. Its real-time adjustable design allows for effortless customization and adjustment of your chassis layout. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for creative PC builders, enabling them to fine-tune their setups to their exact preferences. The scalable structure design also makes it easy to connect HDMI-compatible and DP cables to your GPU, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of PC chassis with PCI slots. Aesthetics play a significant role in the gaming experience, and the Alloyseed Vertical GPU Bracket doesn't disappoint in this regard. It comes equipped with 11 addressable RGB LED lights, which add a mesmerizing visual dimension to your gaming rig. These lights support 5V ARGB motherboard synchronization, allowing you to achieve stunning lighting effects that can sync with popular motherboard software like Aura, Mystic, and Fusion. It's worth noting that this bracket is compatible with M/B 3-pin ARGB connectors, 5V, D, G, but not with 4-pin RGB headers, as 12V can damage the LEDs. In terms of performance, this bracket supports pcie 4.0, which brings significantly higher data transmission efficiency and faster speeds compared to pcie 3.0. This is a significant advantage for gamers, as it allows graphics cards to operate at their full potential, resulting in smoother and more responsive gaming experiences. The Alloyseed Vertical GPU Bracket also accommodates larger-sized graphics cards, including popular models like the RTX 3090, RTX 3080, RTX 3070, RTX 3060 Ti, RX 6900 XT, and R6800, making it suitable for a wide range of gaming setups. In conclusion, the Alloyseed Vertical GPU Bracket is a must-have accessory for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want to elevate their gaming experience to the next level. Its high-quality construction, modular design, ARGB lighting effects, pcie 4.0 support, and compatibility with larger graphics cards make it a versatile and performance-enhancing addition to any gaming rig. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a creative PC builder, this bracket delivers on both form and function, adding style and efficiency to your setup. Number 2. Bexin Vertical GPU Bracket. I recently purchased the Bexin Vertical GPU Bracket for my gaming rig, and I must say, it has been a game changer for my setup. This innovative bracket offers a range of features that enhance both the aesthetics and performance of my system. One of the standout features of the Bexin Vertical GPU Bracket is its support for motherboard PCIe interface versions 4.0 and 5.0. This means I can install it without the need for complicated debugging. It's a straightforward plug-and-play installation. The ease of use alone is a significant selling point. What really sets this bracket apart is its ability to accommodate chassis with 7 graphics card expansion slots, making it versatile for a variety of setups. It also comes with a 220mm PCIe 4.0 cable that has a 90-degree angle, ensuring it supports vertical installation for all brands of graphics cards. This level of compatibility is fantastic, as I can easily swap out graphics cards without worrying about compatibility issues. The Bexin Vertical GPU Bracket also boasts a strengthened connection design, featuring the Fantex logo printed on both sides. This not only enhances the durability of the connection to the motherboard, but also helps avoid any drop in the transmission rate. It's reassuring to know that my GPU is securely attached to my motherboard. Another noteworthy feature is the EMI anti-electromagnetic interference designed for the cable. This ensures that there is no negative impact on the transmission rate, which is crucial for maintaining a smooth gaming experience. The double-layer, flat, and foldable design of the bracket is a thoughtful touch. It's not only lightweight but also offers excellent flexibility and recovery. This makes cable management a breeze, and I can easily keep my system looking clean and organized. One of the primary reasons I opted for the Bexin Vertical GPU Bracket was its ability to protect my motherboard and graphics card from deformation and damage. The 0.8" thick plate used in the bracket's construction is sturdy and robust, effectively preventing sagging physical deformation over time. This is crucial not only for the aesthetics of my graphics card, but also for the long-term compatibility of my motherboard with different graphics cards. In conclusion, the Bexin Vertical GPU Bracket has exceeded my expectations in terms of ease of use, compatibility, and durability. It's a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of style and functionality to their gaming setup. Whether you're a seasoned PC enthusiast or a casual gamer, this bracket is sure to elevate your gaming experience. Number 1. Uxg Vertical GPU Bracket. I recently got my hands on the Uxg Vertical GPU Bracket, and I can confidently say that it has significantly improved my gaming rig's performance and aesthetics. This innovative bracket is packed with features that make it a must-have for any serious PC enthusiast. One of the standout features of the Uxg Vertical GPU Bracket is its support for pcie 4.0. It comes equipped with the latest pcie 4.0 wire, ensuring that it can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. What's even better is that it supports downward compatibility, so you can use it with older devices without any issues. The impressive bidirectional transmission rate exceeding 64 GB/s means that it supports pcie 4.0 devices in all directions, giving you the flexibility you need for your setup. What sets this bracket apart is its ultra-high durability PCB. It features a multi-layer board that excels in toughness and moisture resistance even under high temperatures. This ensures the longevity and reliability of your GPU bracket, which is crucial for any serious PC builder. Another essential feature is the anti-electromagnetic interference design. The full coverage of 30 AWG copper wire effectively prevents interference, ensuring efficient and stable signal transmission. This is particularly important for maintaining a smooth and uninterrupted gaming experience. The Goldfinger gold syncing process is a thoughtful touch. It not only enhances the aesthetics of the bracket but also ensures flexibility and durability, making cable management a breeze. The thermoplastic rubber sheath outside the cable adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring longevity and ease of use. Lastly, the ABS protective sleeve is a nice addition. It effectively shields the wire structure at the cable connection point from ultraviolet rays, further enhancing the bracket's durability and longevity. In conclusion, the Uxg Vertical GPU Bracket is a game-changer for any PC enthusiast. Its support for pcie 4.0, ultra-high durability PCB, anti-electromagnetic interference design, and Goldfinger gold syncing process make it a top-tier choice for those looking to take their gaming rig to the next level. Plus, the ABS protective sleeve adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that your investment will last for years to come. If you're serious about your gaming setup, the Uxg Vertical GPU Bracket is a must-have addition.